this video, we're going to show you how to set up the Tenda AC10 AC1200 wireless dual band gigabit Wi-Fi router. To begin with, you should ensure that you've read the instruction manual to understand exactly how to set it up. Then begin setting up by connecting the power adapter to a wall socket, connecting it to your router, inserting the ISP's Ethernet cable into the WAN port on the back of your router, and then connect your PC or laptop to the router by using an Ethernet cable into one of the LAN ports behind your router. Once that's done, enter the URL of the admin panel in any browser. We're using Chrome over here, and the admin URL for this particular router happens to be 192.168.1.1. Tenda has a quick setting or a setup wizard that automatically detects the kind of connection that you have and brings you to the setup screen. This makes it very convenient for you to set up your internet connection. This device is capable of setting up connections based on PPPoE, in which case you will be getting a username and password from an ISP, or it can pick dynamic IP address, in which you don't need to do anything. The router talks to your ISP's router and gets all the authentication details. Or you can override that with a static IP address, in which case you'll need an IP address subnet mask default gateway from your ISP. Your ISP may also provide you with a DNS, but you can choose to use that particular DNS or anything that is open like Google DNS or OpenDNS. In our case, we have a dynamic IP address, so we don't have to do anything other than name our router's SSID, that is the Wi-Fi name. We'll be using digit 5G, and then pick a password. Make sure this is a strong password and not anything weak, because the safety of your Wi-Fi is at risk if you do not choose the right password. Since this is a demonstration, we're going to use a simple password and just call it password. Click on OK. The UI will save your settings and then start applying the same. If you wait a few seconds, your router should now be connected to the internet and you're good to go. Thank you for watching.